So you just finished editing your video in CapCut. It looks clean. It's super good. You are proud of what you just edited. Then you export it, and right at the end, boom, the CapCut logo pops up. And honestly, it's just killed the whole professional feel. I've been there. And the annoying part is most people don't even know you can remove it completely from the application, and absolutely free. Right here, under 30 seconds, I will put you through on how you can do that. So in this video, I am going to walk you through the exactly how to do that step by step. Let's go straight into it. Open your CapCut application on your mobile phone. You move down to Me button down here. You move up to this button here. Click on the button. The settings will pop up. You will see Add Default Ending. It's usually on. That is why you see the ending logo at the end of your editing videos. Put it off and you are done correcting it. You are done removing it. Head back to your video. Okay, head to Edit, Import Video, Start Video Editing. This is, let's use this for example. You add up this video. You come over here at the end. There is no button, no logo anymore. So when you are done editing your video, you just add up captions if you want to have captions on your video. If you don't want to have captions on your video, that is right. You click on Export. Okay, it will load. When it's done loading, you click on Done. You are done removing it. So click on the bell notification to get notified anytime I create amazing tutorial like this. Let me know on the comment section another tutorial you want me to work on, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and see you on my next video. Cheers.